Alright everybody, here is a 50-inch Casablanca Delta 2 in Verde. I got it off from Andrew Wu. Now, when it first arrived, the housing was damaged during shipping, so I had to bend it back with my bare hands. This has a Samsung K55 motor and has 4 5 blades. This 4 is going to be shown for this one. I might build 5 later. So this fan is one of my favorite fans I've been trying to get through my want list. So yeah, technically it's my first Casablanca. It's from May 20th, 1992. Was 636 fan made in that day. It's a fixed downrod fan, so technically this fan is one of my first Casablancas I've ever owned. So let's go ahead and do some close-ups. It has antique oak blades on both sides, technically from here. Down rod. From looking at the fan, it actually is really good, really nice. Top you can see the casing. The ventings are cracked, normal for a 28-year-old fan. So yeah. Now we're going to start off with the 4-blade configuration, starting off on low. It starts on low, then medium, then high. Looking at the fan, this has a fast low speed, so technically it's a Samsung K55 fan. You can see the date on the fan. The second pull chain is for the light. So that's about for low. Here's medium. It does have some weird bearing noise. I don't know what's up with that. Yeah. The bearings sound like they needed to be replaced. That's about for medium. Here's high. It has a wobble, but it performs like a real beast with the Samsung K55 Induction stack motor in it. I love it. There's a clip in it, so it shouldn't fall. Alright, now I'll go ahead and shut it off. Put this spin down. Which housing? The fan wants to tilt that way. I don't know what's up with that, but yeah. I don't get why this fan wants to tilt a little, even with the clip is on. Alright, here we'll do reverse. Here's low and reverse. Hopefully it doesn't tip that badly on reverse, because I don't want this to tip over the moving on the left. Well, while the clip is on. That's about for low. Here's medium and reverse. Hopefully it doesn't tip to the other side, because I am not going to risk fall. See a low wobble? It's a really weird bearing noise. That's about for medium. Here's high. Now I'm trying to preserve the flywheel because obviously I don't want to break. It's very powerful. So yeah. It actually runs like a beast because the induction stack motor is very a powerful motor you can get from. So yeah. Now I'll go ahead and shut it off. Start spin down. So yeah. And the handle was a pain to put it up. Overall, it was still worth hanging this. And I like to test my fans sooner than later. So, yeah. Alright, that's about 4-blade configuration. Now I'll put it up with 5. Alright, now here it is with the 5-blade configuration. Same blade finished like in the last video. Now we're going to demonstrate the fans turn on low. It runs really nice on low. This runs with 5 blades. It actually, well, it does have somewhat sort of fast low. Something like that. Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't tip over like it did with 4 blades. So yeah. It did have a Samsung K55 in it. Well, at least it's a Slumber 3 fan. That's about for low. Here's medium. For some odd reason. Oh, there it goes. A little scraping noise. Scraping noise, I believe it is. Hopefully it doesn't tip the other side when it's on high, because that's going to be very horrible wobble. Sorry, my phone seems a little heavier than my tripod. That's about for medium. Here's high. Ultimately, I hope it doesn't dip over. It does perform like a beast on high. Crazy fast, if you would say. Oh, it's tipping forward on the other side. I'm gonna tip it back right at its original position. It has a recall clip in it, so it shouldn't be a problem. Okay. Go ahead and start off quickly. Start to spin down. Hopefully the flywheel doesn't put too much stress. I had the recall clip intact for a reason, so it doesn't fall. This is a real example of why you should be careful with your Casablanca fans. and never hang it without a clip, or else it will be destroyed for the rest of your life. So, yeah. Life lesson. Be careful when you hang a Casablanca fan from 1981 to 1993. Because this fan's from 1992, it has a recall clip, so it should be safe. Here's low and reverse. Still got some time left. Yeah, the film. So yeah, you put it back in the box. So yeah, because right now it's really dark outside. That's about for low. Here's medium. Still, you can hear the buzzing noise. Yeah, you could still hear it. That's about for medium. Here's high. Now, it does have a little wobble in reverse. Just so you know. And it's tipping right against it. Left, so it shouldn't be a problem. Yeah. That's about in reverse. I'll turn it off and it'll start spinning down. So, yeah. Overall, a green fan, the Verde fan. This is the rarest one in my collection out of all the fans I had. And that's about it with the Verde Casablanca Delta 2 from May 20th, 1992. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.